Hey, what's going on guys? This is Amir Hussain and you are watching Trick I Know YouTube channel. I'm back again with an exciting video. In this video, I'll be installing the Latte Panda Titan case on my Latte Panda Alpha, and it is also supported by the Latte Panda Delta. So guys, here is our Titan case out of the box and it looks so cool. I like the fancy design of this case. In the back of the case, there are two mounting points, so you can mount this case anywhere you want. In the right side, we have option to mount the external LCD and the micro SD card. Here is the back part and this is the front part of this case, and both have the breathing space available on it. So guys, now I'm going to install this case on my Latte Panda Alpha. In this case, there is an option available for these antennas, so I'm going to include this too. So let's begin the installation. First, you have to remove these panels from this case. Gently give some force to take it out. Now take out the upper part of this case. Now here you can find some screws to tighten the Latte Panda Alpha board on this case. And in this bottom part, you can see there is two space for antennas. Now let's install the top part of this case on the board. Now hold the top like this and insert the board like this. It will look like this from the other side. Make sure the audio socket is popped out correctly. Now I'm going to stick the antennas on the bottom part. The antenna is stickable, just remove the plastic peel from it and then you are good to go. Paste the antenna like this and give some gentle press on it to stick it properly. So we did the bottom part guys. Now for the security purpose, I am covering these antennas with a tape because there is some soldering on the antenna which may cause the shorting in the board. So guys, our bottom base is ready to use. Now next we have to connect these antenna to the Latte Panda board. Just plug the antennas to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth section of the board. All you have to do, just plug it and press it from the top. If the antennas are rotating like this, that means you plugged it well. Now next thing you have to do, you have to cover the back part like this, then flip it up, and now we have to tighten it with these screws. In this screw pouch, we have two extra screws, one LED indicator and one extra power button. Only 4 screws are needed to tighten up the Latte Panda board with the case. Just tighten it using a 4-head screwdriver. Now the best part of this board is, without the panel you can access the GPIO pins of this Latte Panda board. You can do your projects without opening this case. And in the normal time you can also add the panels to save it from the dust. So guys, we successfully installed the Titan case on our Latte Panda Alpha. You can see our USB 3.0 ports are visible. The display port and the micro SD port is also visible properly, and you can see the back part is also looking good. And here is our power button which is now working properly. So guys, now this ultimate PC build is ready to use. Now it's time to have some fun with it. So guys, that was my video on Latte Panda Titan case. Hope you enjoyed it. If you really enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates like this. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See you in my next video.